Okay, this is very spontaneous, but I decided to make my hair blonder. Don't know how this will go. 2 tablespoons of powder, and that will be mixed with 6 tablespoons of developer. I think that's a good ratio. 5, 6. Do I have any idea what I'm doing? No. Okay, let me grab the rest of my stuff. I feel like I'm some sort of prepared. I think that's the right consistency, isn't it? So, like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is not really a tutorial, just me fucking up my hair. I thought we could do some sort of sections. I generally don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, so I guess it's some sort of liner. I don't know if I've done a good job or not. I guess the only thing we can do now is like wait. I already took off like all the, you know, bits that I put in my hair, which maybe was too early, but I kind of wanted to like comb it through. That is definitely not a good definition for it, and if friend Monjo watches this video, it probably screams at me the whole time, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. No, it's looking super dry right now, which is not a good sign. Okay, so now I'm gonna pop in the shower and rinse this off. See you in a bit. Alrighty, so just got off the shower, brushing my hair through right now. I did a treatment. It kind of looks similar to how it was, but I guess we'll see. Hello. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't think I've ever introduced this video, although you guys already saw the vlog footage, but hi! I decided to spontaneously bleach my hair in this video, and this is the result. And let me just tell you, I think I've done a good job. But yeah, joke aside, this was definitely a very spontaneous move. So much so that I don't really have a before and after pic, because I never really took the before, so there's not really a point of taking an after picture. Although I will show you guys how my hair looks now, because I think it looks gorgeous. And I also didn't bother about changing my t-shirt, and now one of my favorite t-shirts is actually ruined. Like oh my god, you can tell. I mean, I'm not complaining just because this t-shirt was quite old, so I guess I just need like a reason why to like let it go, but still. Yeah, I mean, what else can I say? You guys saw from the vlog footage that I've used 1 part of bleach, 3 part of developer, and actually ended up mixing 2 batch. And I was pretty much just winging it. I tried to use kitchen foil just to like do some highlight sort of thing, and then I tried to like blend all the ends of my hair. And you know what, for someone who literally had no idea what to do, I think I've done a good job. Now I think I'll show you guys how my hair looked right after in the vlog footage, but it was quite dark, so you probably were not able to like tell. I feel like this lighting is really bad, but I just finished to blow dry my hair and this is how it looks like. Like, I will show you better tomorrow because this lighting is just not doing it justice, but I feel like you can tell it's slightly blonder. So yeah, I don't think this video will go on a brand Monjo fail video anytime soon, but I'm actually quite happy with the result. I feel like you guys can tell that on camera as well. It is pretty light. So this is how it looks in the daylight. It's actually a couple days later, and not gonna lie, at first I was like, I don't know what the fuck I did. I don't see any different. I just think my hair is damaged whatsoever. But now, like, the more I look at it, the more I'm like, actually, you know what? It's blonder. Like, it's for sure blonder and I'm so happy with it. Like, literally what I wanted to do was just make like the ends of my hair blonder and just lighter, if it makes sense. I did not want to touch the roots whatsoever, because when I went to the hairstylist, which I'll link the video in the eye, she actually done a great job with my roots and like everything is like super nice and blended. I did not want to fuck with that at all. And definitely I was quite scared to like deal with my natural hair, because I know that it can be quite rusty when it's like bleached. So I literally tried not to touch my roots at all, but I just wanted to like make the ends lighter, which I think I said a million times right now and I'm sorry. But yeah, long story short, this is the final result and I'm hella happy with it. So let me just show you how it looks now. Not bad at all, right? Anyway, that's the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you want me to mess up with my hair a bit more and film down camera, be sure to comment down below. If you guys liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for a brand new video every Friday and a music one every Tuesday. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!